What's going on, guys? It's your man Kev here. Hey, I'm not working on the ZL1 today. I am working on the Mercedes E550. Apparently, my auxiliary battery is going bad or malfunctioning, and it's been doing that for like, I don't know, 3 years maybe. Every now and then, when it's cold, you see the light pop up and say it's malfunctioning. But basically, for the last couple of years, it still has been helping the car start. But just recently, being that it's wintertime and I really haven't, driven this car, the battery has gone dead, and the auxiliary battery malfunction was coming on every day. So I have the battery itself. I went with the Mercedes. I don't know if you hear the plane, but sorry about that. I went with the Mercedes batteries because, I do like to keep, everything original. They do have a Duracell. I don't have that model number, which is like $22, but I got this one, I believe, off Amazon. All right. So this here is the part number right there. Okay. And this was about, I guess, with taxes and all that, probably about maybe $50-something. Okay. So I believe I'm going to need a 10 millimeter. All right. And a T25. And I do have the whole kit, which I probably got this off of Amazon too some time ago. This is an awesome kit. So I advise everybody to get one of these. Okay, let me see if I can focus this thing on here. All right, let's go right here. There we go. All right, so it's a pry tool. So there's some clips. You can hear them coming loose there. All right, so okay, so that popped out fairly easy. Guess you have these two hooks right here, right there. All right, they go inside of here and here, and then you have these two clips right here, all right, which go in here and here. Okay, so we have to take this panel down, because I don't think I can get to it. So I got to get this panel down so I can, because the battery should be right here. So I got to loosen up that 10 millimeter. But it also has this nice little box right here, which seems that everything will freaking fit right through there, right? Right, just perfect. So I wonder if I do have to take this panel all the way down. So let's see. All right, so I might need all right, so I'm gonna try something different here. I got a 10 millimeter wrench. So that's loose. I am going to have to drop that down. All right. got one right here. One right here. So I got my car running because I wasn't sure it was gonna freaking start up, but it did. I was like, cool. All right, this panel is almost down. All right, I don't know if I need a whole lot to maneuver this thing out here. I just need a little gap. So apparently you don't have enough cables and stuff to pull it down, so I am going to disconnect it. I'm going to disconnect it from the cables. I mean, it might be a little hard putting it back on, but there's one. There's two. Okay. And it has something else on here. Can't see. It looks like some type of fuse. Which I don't need right now. Okay. All right. Battery is out of the housing. And here it is. Okay. Same exact unit. All right. Now I'm gonna slide the other one back up in there. Right, that's back up in its housing. Now I just need to see where those connections are. All right, I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna put these connections back on the battery and get everything installed. Give me a second. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So after some finagling, I finally got it back up in there. Basically, I don't even think you need a socket, but you can use one if you can get a small enough one in there. So that is that. So basically, I put the connections on and I placed it up, you know, sideways the way that it goes in there. And then it was easy to, you know, put it up against this bracket right here, put the screw in and tighten it up. So basically, I'm going to close everything all up, guys. So basically, I don't know, it took about what, 15, 20 minutes, if that. So I'm going to button her up and she should be good to go. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of upcoming videos, especially when I pull out the ZL1 for the spring, and it should be awesome. It should be an awesome year. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye for now.